Microsoft disables LinkedIn app from China. Due to Beijing's tightening of Internet regulations, Microsoft will be cutting its connections to China by shutting down its primary LinkedIn service later this year. A much more difficult operating environment and higher compliance requirements in China, according to the company's blog post on Thursday. For China, LinkedIn will be replaced with InJobs, an app that includes some of LinkedIn's capabilities but will not have a social feed or the ability to publish posts or articles. New member sign-ups on LinkedIn China were put on hold in March due to unspecified regulatory concerns, according to a LinkedIn spokesperson. Chinese internet regulator ordered LinkedIn, Microsoft's Bing search engine, and around 100 other applications to stop collecting and using data in May. This year, many academics reported receiving LinkedIn warning letters for posting prohibited content that was blocked in China but was still visible to other LinkedIn users. For further information, see Tony Lee's interview with the Associated Press from June, when he claimed that LinkedIn didn't tell him what material was banned, but that it was linked to the part of his profile where he mentioned his publications. A 1989 crackdown in Beijing's Tiananmen Square on pro-democracy protesters was one of his listed articles, as was a comparison between Chinese President Xi Jinping and previous leader Mao Zedong. About 7 years ago, LinkedIn began offering a simplified Chinese language site in an effort to broaden its appeal in mainland China. When it first launched in China in early 2014, it acknowledged that doing so raised difficult issues since it would have to filter material. However, it promised to be transparent about its business practices in China and take extensive steps to safeguard users' rights and data.